name is Innichka, chef. Welcome to my kitchen. Today for dinner I'm making my husband's favorite dish, which is stuffed flounder. It's our anniversary month and I have to think about what to make, something to please him, kind something what he likes to eat, and he loves seafood, buttery and creamy and cheesy if possible. He loves all that stuff, and every time we go out he always orders crab stuff flounder. I make it home sometimes, and today I want to share with you recipe actually how to stuff flounder with shrimp. I like to cook seasonal, and crab is not in season right now. Well, you can buy crab year round, of course, but what about the beautiful shrimp now? They are so gorgeous and sweet, and actually you don't even need to devein them right now, which is make simpler to cook. This dinner, whole dinner, I think from beginning to end will be 30 minutes. If I do video. In real life will be even faster, honestly. So this is quick, easy recipe, but a restaurant quality meal in under 30 minutes. I think it's very appealing to do it. And for the ingredients we need for this stuffed flounder, beautiful local flounder. Look how fresh and gorgeous this fillet. Also shrimp, and I have for 4 fillet I have nice good pound of shrimp. Bunch of herbs. Look how beautiful this dill, parsley, some chives, of course lemon, and plenty of butter. It's a buttery dish, buttery fish, a little bit of garlic, good quality Parmesan cheese. We don't need a lot, so use good quality. Try to stay away from that shaky stuff or whatever. Just good quality. My Parmesan cheese is 3 years old, aged cheese, and it gives nice umami flavor. Little goes a long way. Base seasoning we need little bit, and I'm using homemade. I will link below how to make. If you try to use less MSG in your life, if not, use Old Bay or whatever you feel like. It's plenty on market that spice. And instead of crackers, this recipe, I forgot to mention, it's a naturally free, gluten-free, naturally, which is mean I'm not going to substitute Reese's or any crackers in that matter with a gluten-free Reese's. We actually don't eat those crackers at home at all, or gluten-free breadcrumbs. I'm going to use grain called millet. And I like this grain. I'm from Ukraine, and millet was a big part of my diet, and why not incorporate more grains, good grains, into diet instead of processed food like crackers. So that's what I'm going to use, and we need very little, small amounts, so don't worry about. And I will link below similar recipe that to use millet if you decide to buy it, if you don't have one. Add a little bit olive oil to the baking dish, and later on we'll add plenty of butter. So olive oil and butter, it's always good combo. Put your fish fillet, and a little bit salt and pepper, and set aside. Now to make a filling, shrimp filling, I'm going to be lazy and I'm going to use food processor. So you add all shrimp, and mine, as I mentioned, I don't need the vein. They're nice and clean. Shrimp, by the way, I already posted some recipe shrimp cake. They kind of work like a binder. So basically everywhere where you need egg or any fillers, like for crab stuffed crab, you need egg or breadcrumbs or something to hold them a lot. Shrimp, they actually do this job itself, so you don't need much. So into the shrimp we add a little bit, 1 tablespoon of this bay seasoning, and zest of 1 lemon. We'll use juice later on. 1 garlic. smells so good with lemon and garlic. It's already smell good. So now we try to process into the paste. Beautiful, look. About half cup of this cooked fluffy millet, which is not a lot. Take 20 minutes to cook, and I like to soak all my grains ahead of time. I cooked this morning, about half cup. That's all we need. The rest of my kids will eat as a breakfast cereal. And beautiful herbs. We'll start with dill, and I like to chop very fine. A little bit of parsley. And some chives. I love herbs. Can't even imagine to cook without herbs. And a little bit of Parmesan. And we need about 4 tablespoons of butter melted. I'm using Kerrygold butter. And I give a good mix. Little more butter. Important to not have very hot because we'll start cook shrimp. Just melted, warm butter. Looks perfect to me. Old Bay seasoning has plenty of salt, and shrimp naturally has salt plus Parmesan salty, so I do not add any additional salt. I think it's a perfect as it is. And my butter actually salted, so Parmesan salted butter and Old Bay seasoning has salt, so no more needed to add. But you adjust up to you, depends what you're seasoning. I boiled to 4 parts. My husband doesn't like herbs much, and every time when he sees a piece of parsley or dill special, he will pull out. He will not eat. In this case, he has no choice. He will eat all. I think I will add a little bit more butter to this. I think it needs more butter, right? 4 tablespoons is not enough. Let's do another 2 tablespoons. I don't want extremely hot. I just want melted butter. So to this golden, beautiful melted butter, I'm going to add some lemon juice. And now the last little touch. Let it swim in butter. And I have a little bit leftover Parmesan cheese on top. Now place in the oven, 375 degrees, preheated oven for about 15 minutes. We'll keep on. Look how beautiful and bubbling. Oh, smells so good. Smells incredible. I just want to show you with a fork quickly how it's fluffy and gorgeous inside. The flaky fish and beautiful little bit this lemon butter sauce. It's really good. Even I'm not a Flounder lover, my husband is. I do love fish, more fishy fish. But this is so delicious. It's so delicate, so I think for people who don't like fish, this is the fish to make. It's delicious. It's a very elegant dish, and I think under 30 minutes you can put restaurant quality meal on a table. And it's healthy, natural gluten-free, without any harmful ingredients added, and it's good for you. I hope you give me a like for this recipe. I hope you will cook tomorrow or next day and share with your friends, family. Enjoy this meal. Bye, see you next time.